and welcome to another class from Rumbo al Inglés. I'm Hannah, your teacher, and by now you know that when you see me, this class is for beginners. So again, if you're a beginner, don't change the channel. Stay here with me and Ruben. So don't leave our class. Hello, Ruben. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine, very fine.
Good. Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, I'm ready for this class.
Really? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Did you study for your last class?
Yes, I studied.
Good.
A lot.
Okay, good. Well, today we have very important topics to look at for class. We're going to look at the difference between this and that. Okay, so remember in our previous class we looked at this. Okay, we said this is a pen, right? And this is a demonstrative pronoun. Again, pronombre demostrativo. So today we're going to look at the difference between this, which was esto.
Esto, esta.
Okay, and then we're going to look at that. All right, so pay attention because this is very important. Again, the difference between this and that. We're also going to look at more vocabulary, right? So in the last class, we looked at vocabulary like a table, a chair, a book, okay? A pen, okay? A plane, a bus, and a train. So we looked at those vocabulary terms. We're going to look at more today. For example, how do we say una puerta?
A door.
Good. A door. How do we say una ventana?
A window.
Good. How do we say un anillo?
A ring.
Good. Un lápiz?
A pencil.
Good. And how do we say un reloj? Pero no un reloj así, pero un reloj así.
A clock.
Good. A clock. And what about this?
Watch.
Good. A watch. So the difference is a watch and a clock. Right? More vocabulary. What's this?
A picture.
Good. Repeat.
A picture.
Okay, a picture or a picture? Which one?
A picture.
Good. A picture. That sounds much better. Mucho mejor. So this is a picture. So when we see the words T, U, R, E, o sea, T-U-R-E, it sounds like ch, como CH. Right? So picture. Repeat.
Picture.
Good. Again.
Picture.
So another example would be futuro. When we say futuro, it's future. Future. Okay? And when we say literatura, it's literature. Repeat.
Literature.
Good. This one?
Picture.
Good. Picture. Okay, how do we say naturaleza? La naturaleza.
No sé.
Okay. Oh, how do we say no sé? Or no lo sé? How do we say no sé, no lo sé?
I don't know.
Okay, good. I don't know. It's very important to know how to say I don't know because although your English is very good,
Yeah.
you probably don't know everything. So it's good to say, oh, Hannah, I don't know. So how do we say nature? Naturaleza in English. We say nature. Nature. So as we see, it's T-U-R-E. It sounds like a ch. Nature, future, picture, literature. Okay, So again, repeat. Picture.
Picture.
Again.
Picture.
Okay, good. Now you at home, let's hear you. Picture. Repeat. Picture. Okay, very good. All right, now, again, let's look at the difference between this and that, right? So, again, they're called demonstrative pronouns, pronombres demostrativos. They demonstrate, they show where something is. So the difference is when we have this, for example, this pen, right? Estoy tocándolo, right? I'm touching this pen. Está dentro de tu alcance. So everything here, for example, this picture, this clock, this glass of water, right? This credit card, this coin, this table, this chair, this book, this pen, this DVD, this notebook, and this train, right? Now, the difference is that. So when I say that plane, that bus, what's the difference? This es algo que puedes tocar. O O sea, está en tu alcance, ¿no? Físico. So when it's outside of your reach, o sea, fuera de tu alcance físico, then we say that. Okay, what's the equivalent of that in Spanish?
Ese, esa o eso.
Exactly. So ese, esa o eso, all right? So we say that plane, that clock, that phone, that camera, that bus, that car, that glass of water, that watch. Okay? So, Ruben, give me examples using this and that, only with the objects on the table.
Okay. This glass of water.
Good.
That glass of water.
Good. So this glass of water. So now it's the punto de referencia, right? I say this glass of water. Lo estoy tocando. That glass of water. Now continue.
This car. That pen. This camera.
Repeat. This.
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 Yes.
This
Mejor.
camera.
Good. This. The pronunciation is this, not these, pero this. This. Continue.
That notebook.
Good.
This bus.
Okay, again, this bus.
This bus.
Good.
That picture.
Good. Picture with a TU sounds like ch. That this picture. Good.
This plane. That ring.
Good.
This clock. That clock.
Good.
This phone.
Good.
And that train.
Good. Okay, very good. So again, this and that, right? This and that. So again, your point of reference is something that you can touch en tu alcance, and that fuera de tu alcance. Now, let's use a verb to be. So let's create a sentence. Now, this is a book. Esto es un libro. This is a pen. That's a plane. That's a camera. That's a car. That's a phone. Examples.
This is a camera. That's a coin. This is a car. That's a train. This is a bus. That's a picture.
Good.
This is an airplane.
Okay, this is a plane.
This is a plane.
Good. This is a plane.
This is a plane. That's a notebook. This is a clock. That's a book. This is a phone. That's a DVD.
Very good. Perfect. Great examples.
Thank you.
Perfect examples. Ooh, Ruben's a very good student.
Yeah.
Okay, now, so again, this and that, this and that, this and that. So this is a, notice we don't use the contraction here. We don't say this is, we say this is a, right? This is a book. This is a book. We don't use the contraction. However, did you notice, okay, when we say that's a camera, we use the contraction with that is, we put them together, right? Aplastamos, we put together the two words, and we use the apostrophe, right, to say that's, that's. So remember to use the contraction with that's. So that's a bus, that's a clock, that's a glass of water, that's a plane, that's a red car. Okay, very good. Now, I say, what's this?
It's a pen.
Good. What's this?
It's a glass of water.
What's that?
It's a clock.
Good. It's a clock. Notice, it's the same answer. It's the same answer. We don't say, this is a glass of water when I ask Ruben, is this a book? Yes, it is. Or, is this a ring? Yes, it is. Or if I say, what's this? It's a pen. What's that? It's a bus. So it's a stays the same. Okay, it doesn't matter where if we say this or that. The answer is the same, right? So again, is this a DVD?
Yes, it is.
Okay. What's this?
It's a notebook.
Good. It's a notebook. What's that?
It's a phone.
Good. It's a phone. What's this?
It's a train.
Good. Repeat.
It's a train.
Good. It's a train. Remember, train. What's that?
It's a glass of water.
Good. What's this?
It's a glass of water.
Good. Repeat.
It's a glass of water.
Good. It's a glass of water. Okay, very good. Now, let's look at the negative. Negative. So if I say, is this a book?
No, it's not.
Is it a phone?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a pen.
Good. Is that a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a picture?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a camera.
Good. So the response is the same. Again, no, it's not. No, it's not. And then you say, it's a camera. Okay, all we did was change in my question, is this a? Is that a? Is this a? Is that a? So let's practice using that. So Ruben asked me questions saying, is this a? Is that a? Is this a? Etc.
Is that a plane?
Oh, no, it's not.
Is that a book?
No, it's not.
Is that a glass of water?
Yes, it is.
Is this a car?
No, it's not.
Is this a plane?
No, it's not.
Is this a bus?
Yes, it is.
Is that a picture?
Yes, it is.
Is this a car?
No, it's not.
Is this a train?
No, it's not.
Is that a credit card?
Yes, it is. Very good. Now, let's look at this picture. What's this?
It's a picture.
Good. Okay, it's a picture. Can you see what the picture is of?
Yes, houses.
Okay, yes, of houses, casas, bien.
Yeah.
Okay, now, it's actually a picture of a small town near Granada. So you can't tell from the picture here, but there are a lot of houses that are typical from the south of Spain. But I thought it was a beautiful picture,
Yeah,
right?
beautiful.
So I brought it to show in class, right? So, okay, good. Well, let's see. So let's repeat. More examples, more examples. So this is a Post-it.
Yes, it is.
This is a key. This is a clock. This is a table. This is a chair. This is a watch. That's a clock. That's a camera. That's a glass of water. That's a bus. That's a phone. That's a plane. More examples. Ren.
That's a credit card. That's a DVD.
Repeat. That's
a DVD.
Good.
This is a glass of water. That's a glass of water. This is a car. That's a picture. This is a bus. That's a pencil. That's a pen. This is a phone. This is a clock. This is a plane. That's a train.
Good.
That's a book. That's a watch.
Good.
This is a watch.
Good. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Wow, Ruben. Okay. Good job. Good job.
Easy, easy.
Okay, good. Now, Ruben did it very quickly. He did it very quickly. Can you do it as quickly, tan rápido? Okay, so imagine you're here. Imagine you're sitting here. So again, this is everything that you can touch, que puedes tocar. Okay, so this is and that, again, que no puedes tocar, because it's fuera de tu alcance físico. You say, that's a camera, that's a glass of water, that's a car. Okay, very good. Now, let's see, let's move on. Did you notice that when I said, is this a book? Answer?
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Is it a table?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a pen.
Good. Now, notice in the second question, the first question I said, is this a book? And the answer was no, it's not. In the second question, I didn't repeat, is this a table? Why? Because it's totally unnecessary, innecesario, right? Because we don't have to repetir the pronombre demostrativo. And we only say it once. La primera pregunta, why? Because una vez que señalamos que objeto, cuál objeto, we don't have to repeat esto, esta, otra vez, right? So you notice, again, let's do the three questions. Is this a book?
No, it's not.
Is it a table?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a pen.
Good. So you notice in the second question, I'm only using it. Is it a table? Why? Because I don't have to repeat esto otra vez. Only in the first question, la primera pregunta, right? So let's do another example. Is this a chair?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a book.
Good. Is this a car?
No, it's not.
Is it a camera?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a train.
Good. Is this a notebook?
No, it's not.
Is it a phone?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a table.
Good. Okay, now, Ruben, I want you to ask me the same 3 questions, okay?
Okay.
And remember, just the first question is with this, okay? And the second question, we use the pronombre it, right?
Okay.
Literalmente, we're saying, ¿es esto un libro? And the second question, ¿es una mesa? ¿Qué es? Right? We don't have to repeat again, ¿es esto un libro? ¿Es esto una mesa? ¿Es esto una silla? We don't have to repeat esto tantas veces. Only the first question, porque ya sabemos dónde y qué objeto, right? So give me those 3
Okay.
questions.
Is this a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a bus?
No, it's not.
What's it?
Repeat, what is it?
What is it?
Good. It's a car.
Good.
Good. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Is this a bottle of water?
No, it's not.
Is it a train?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a glass of water.
Okay. Is that a book?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
Good. It's a picture.
Good.
And it's a picture of a town in Granada. To
Very
be very,
good.
very specific, right? It's a town in Granada. You can tell, you can see, because it has all the white, typical, traditional houses in the south, right? Okay, good. Now, also, don't forget, no olvides que, don't forget that there's a big difference between Spanish and English when we talk about pronombres, right? Pronouns. For example, in Spanish, a lot of times with the verbs, we don't have to put the pronouns, right? We don't have to put the subject pronoun. For example, when I say es blanco, in English, we have to put the pronoun. Hay que poner el pronombre, right? O sea, ello es blanco, right? In English, we have to say it's white. But in Spanish, we just say es blanco. But in English, we have to say it's white. O sea, ello es blanco, right? So remember, when we use the translations of that, it's not exactly the same, okay? Very good. So, more practice. Let's talk about, is that a train?
No, it's not.
Is it a book?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a clock.
Good. Is that a bus?
No, it's not.
Is it a picture? A
No.
picture?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a phone.
Good. Is that a camera?
No, it's not.
Is it a car?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a plane.
Good. All right, good. Now, give me the same questions again.
Okay. Is that a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a picture?
No, it's not.
What's it?
Repeat, what is
What
it?
is it?
Okay, it's a book.
Good.
Good. Okay, now, repeat after me. Repeat after me. What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
Yes, again, what is it?
What is it?
Good. It's very important to know how to say what is it? What is it?
What is it?
Good. Very good. What is it? What is it? Repeat. Let me hear you. What is it? What is it? Good. Very good. So again, Ruben.
What is it?
Good. Again.
What is it?
Perfect. Excellent. Much better. Continue. Continue.
Okay.
More examples.
Is that a car?
No, it's not.
Is it a train?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a notebook.
Good. Is this a train?
No, it's not.
Is it a coin?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a glass of water.
Good. Is that a camera?
Repeat.
Is that a camera?
Good. A camera? No, it's not.
Is it a car?
No, it's not.
What's it?
It's, you're talking about this?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a clock. We have so many objects on the table. Okay, so it's a clock. Very good. Okay, excellent job. Now, again, let's repeat again. This, that, remember, so this in Spanish is ¿qué?
Este, esta, esto.
Okay, and that?
Ese, esa, eso.
Exactamente. So remember.
Spanish.
So remember, when we have this, again, it's something que puedes tocar en tu alcance, right? En tu alcance físico, dentro. And when we say that, right? It's outside or fuera de tu alcance físico, right? You can't touch it, no puedes tocarlo, right? So I say again, this pen, this table, this book, this glass of water, this clock, that clock, ahí, that camera, that bus, that car, that watch, that cup of water or glass of water, that plane, okay, and this table, this chair, and so repeat again, this, that, Ruben, this, that.
This glass of water, that notebook, that DVD, this phone, that train, this car, this table, this chair,
Good.
that chair, this bus, that credit card, that ring, that coin, this plane.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Very good. And again, this is a, let's use it in a sentence. Esto es, esta es, esa es, aquello es, okay? So, this is a book. This is a post-it. This is a picture. This is a train. This is a clock. This is a notebook. This is a DVD. That's, again, use the contraction, that's a clock. That's a phone. That's a camera. That's a glass of water. That's a bus. Continue.
That's a pen. That's a pencil. This phone.
Repeat.
This phone.
Okay, where's the verb? ¿Dónde está el verbo?
Sorry. This is a phone.
Good.
No,
This
sorry.
is a phone. Uy, muy importante el verbo.
Yeah.
Repeat again.
Okay,
Repeat.
this is a phone.
Okay, this is
This
a
is
phone.
a camera.
Good.
This is a glass of water.
Good.
That's a glass of water. That's a train. This is a car, a red car.
Good.
That is a picture. This is a bus. That's a notebook. This is a plane.
Very good. Excellent job. Okay, very, very good. Now, let's review very quickly. We're going to review some of the things we did in our previous class. So, do you remember I said, is this a pen?
Yes, it is.
Is this a pencil?
Yes, it is.
Is this a notebook?
Yes, it is.
Is this a table?
No, it isn't.
Okay,
Oh,
no, it's not. Yes, we're practicing no, it's not. But you can say both. No, it isn't. No, it's not. Let's use no, it's not. Is this a table?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a picture.
Good. Okay. Is this a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a camera?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a train.
Repeat.
It's a train.
Good. It's a train.
It's a train.
It's a train. Okay. Is that a camera?
Yes, it is.
Is that a phone?
Yes, it is.
Is that a glass of water?
Yes, it is.
Is that a car?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Is that a picture?
No, it's not.
Is that a chair?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a plane.
Good. Very good. This isn't a car. This isn't a pen. Negative. Remember, we looked at this isn't. This isn't a notebook. This isn't a clock. Okay? So we looked at this isn't, which is esto no es, right? The negative form. All right, good. Now, in this class, we looked at, again, the difference between this and that. This and that. Again, this ring, este anillo. This pen. This book. That phone. That glass of water. Okay? That plane. This table. This chair. Okay? That student, right? This teacher. Okay, so again, something you can touch, tocar, en tu alcance. And fuera de tu alcance is that. So this and that. All right, so this is a book. This is a pen. This is a DVD. That's a clock. That's a camera. That's a bus. That's a plane. That's a phone. That's a glass of water. Okay? And again, what is it? What is it? When I say yes, right? What is it? So again, is this a book?
No, it isn't.
Good. Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
Good. No, it's not. Well, what is it?
It's a pen.
Good. Very good. Okay, great job, Ruben.
Thank you.
Today we had a very intense class. We
Yes.
reviewed our previous classes and we learned a lot today. Again, this and that. So, Ruben, practice and repeat and study everything
Okay.
at home. And you at home, practice and repeat as well. And remember, repeat after me. I may be a beginner, but not for long. Thank you for watching. Bye.